Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to control our model in SolidWorks. So, open the model from the last lecture, from where you saved it. So mine is saved on my desktop, so I clicked open, browsed, and click open to open it. So we have our 3D model. To rotate this back and forth like this, all you have to do is click the scroll wheel, click it and hold it down until you get like that arrow that is pointing up, and that is telling you that you can rotate it back and forth. So you can rotate it like this by clicking down on the scroll wheel. And if you use the scroll wheel, you roll it back and forth. When you roll it away from you, I'm pushing it away. And when I roll it towards me, I'm bringing it closer. So that's what that does. And left click doesn't do anything, but right click gives you some option. And I can right click on the face, and it gives me some options to edit that face. And we'll cover all this later on. And what else? And let's say your part is like away from your screen and you can't find it, because that do happen sometimes. If you press the F key, it brings it back on the screen. So let me just move it away again. Press the F key and it brings it back. So that is the ways you pretty much control your part in SolidWorks. When you hold the control key and hold down the scroll wheel at the same time, you can move it left and right. So hold down on the control key and hold down on the scroll wheel, you can move it left and right. And if you click the shift key and hold down on the shift key and hold down on the scroll wheel, you can zoom it up and in and out. So like that. So again, I'll press the F to bring it to the screen. And that is pretty much how you control your model in SolidWorks. Remember, click down on the scroll wheel to rotate. Use the scroll wheel by turning it back and forth. You roll it away from you or bring it closer. Holding down the control key, and the scroll wheel would move it left and right. Right click on the face to give you more options for that face, or you can right click in here. So right click selects the face and gives you that option. And that is how you rotate your model in SolidWorks. At least this is what I use on a daily basis. I don't use anything fancy. Thank you, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.